Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Antoine-sur-Richelieu is a charming village located along the scenic Richelieu River in the Montérégie region of Quebec. This small town, with just over 1,600 residents, is steeped in history and culture, making it a delightful place to explore. One of the first things you'll notice here is the stunning view of the Richelieu River, which has been central to the town's history and development. This area has a strong connection to Quebec's French heritage, reflected in the architecture and peaceful agricultural landscape. Saint-Antoine-sur-Richelieu is known for its beautifully preserved heritage buildings. The impressive Saint-Antoine-de-Padoue Church, built in 1914, is a centerpiece of the village with its striking twin steeples. The former presbytery, now the Maison de la Culture Eulalie Durocher, dates back to 1882 and serves as a cultural hub, hosting art exhibitions and events throughout the year. Visitors also enjoy the ferry service that links Saint-Antoine-sur-Richelieu to its equally picturesque neighbor, Saint-Denis-sur-Richelieu, a relaxing way to experience the beauty of the Richelieu Valley. The village is a member of Quebec's Association of the Most Beautiful Villages, recognized for its historic charm, artistic community, and connection to nature. Over the years, this tranquil spot has drawn artists and artisans, adding a creative flair to its rural setting. Whether you're here for the history, the views, or simply to relax, Saint-Antoine-sur-Richelieu is a place that invites you to slow down and savor the moment.
watching.